Nikkietutorials just appeared on the Ellen show and she revealed exactly how her blackmailer made her reveal the biggest secret of her life. We also have an update on who outed Nikkietutorials, and it wasn't who we originally thought. I'm gonna serve you this spicy update here for you on IO. What is gravy news potatoes? This is IO. I'm Charlotte. Hey, how are you? Nice to see you. Please subscribe, turn on the bell so you never miss one of our videos, and follow us on social media, please. So I did a video recently about who we thought was the person that could have been blackmailing Nikkietutorials. The person who forced her to come out before she was ready. It turns out that there are actually a lot of people who knew, but one person in particular outed her publicly on YouTube before everybody else. In a recent interview on Ellen, Nikkie talked more in depth about her blackmailer and why she chose to come out when she did. Nikkietutorials said that her blackmailer told her that her secret was actually a lie and they were threatening to expose those lies. She also revealed that her blackmailer was male. She explained, a couple of weeks ago I got emails from a certain person who was not okay with the fact that I was lying and wanted to expose that. He had a very pressuring tone of voice and he was like, if I don't get an answer by tomorrow, it's out. I think his entire goal was to destroy my life. Plot twist, that didn't happen. So who was this guy who was trying to expose Nikkie? According to one of our fans and multiple Dutch news outlets, it was the YouTuber Kaj Vanderie. By the way, shout out to I don't know for tipping me off about this. Kaj Vanderie is a YouTuber and presenter for the BNN program Guinea Pigs. He posted a video a year ago called Is Nikkietutorials Transgender? He deleted the video, but YouTuber Alice Alsthorn found it and reacted to it online. He says in the video, seriously, there's been a rumor in the YouTube world for 8 years now and I'm only going to throw it out once. Nikkietutorials is transgender. Alice responds and reacts by saying, everyone just knew, but even if you know, you won't put it online. Vanderie has responded to the news that everyone thinks he outed Nikkietutorials, and he said in an Instagram post, I'm overloaded with messages that I am responsible for outing Nikkie. This really makes no sense at all. I asked questions about this 10 months ago on the New Punt program. Only I had the idea that Nikkie was actually transgender. He maintains that he only has respect for Nikkie. He wrote, I think it's wonderful that we live in a country where everyone can and maybe themselves. In my opinion, this is a huge misunderstanding because all the people who would have known me longer than today would know that I love and respect everything and everyone. So did Vanderie blackmail Nikkie? Well, Nikkie said that the person who was blackmailing her was a male. Vanderie is a male. He also reportedly lost his job over this video he made. I wasn't able to confirm that, just so you know. He did out her in public, but does that mean this is the person who's blackmailing her? To be honest, if he'd already revealed that information in the past, it would have meant that he didn't have any leverage on her, so I don't think that it's him. The truth is, there actually might have been quite a few people who knew the truth about Nikkietutorials. It was something that was talked about in influencer and YouTuber circles for years now, and I can't reveal who said this to me, but I can tell you that it is a reliable source. Yes, it is wrong to out someone in any way. I wish it didn't happen, but it does happen. You talk to your friends about it. There's rumors, people talk. But there's a big difference between talking about it with your close friends and making a YouTube video about it. That is all I have for you on this for now. I'm gonna wrap things up with some comment features, and these comments are from my last video on Nikkietutorials. Amy said, I don't understand why Two-Face's sister equated Nikkie's secret to lying. It's none of her business. It's clear, like, a lot of people think that way. Keeping a secret is not always considered lying unless you're directly lying to someone's face. I feel like there's a gray area when it comes to someone's gender identity. Nike said, her gender doesn't really matter. She has the skills, and bitter people who don't have her skills are jealous, that's why. I mean, you're not wrong. I am Tammy Sue said, started binge watching you on our fancy hotel's big screen TV and y'all are nearly life size. It's like having the whole IO crew just hanging out and spilling tea. First round's on me. Oh yeah? You're gonna get the first round of tea? Can I get a tequila shot too? Alright, that's it for me. Leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you next time.